And a warm welcome back to Taslima Maya Art. I'm Taz. To connect with me and other artists, you can join my free private Facebook group called Acrylic Pouring and Mixed Media by Taslima Maya Art. So welcome to today's craft tutorial. In this video, we'll be transforming a simple door plaque into a beautiful personalised piece using acrylic paints and shimmering gilding flakes. Get ready to add some love and sparkle to your home decor for Valentine's Day. Let's dive in. This video is part of a Valentine's collaboration by the wonderful Casey from CWV Artistry. Please do go check out the playlist down below for my fellow artists and their contributions. Thank you, my friend, for including me, and happy birthday, happy 14th birthday to your beautiful daughter Hannah van Steenberg. I hope you both enjoy this one. So we're going to start with this beautiful little wooden plaque gift that I got from my daughter Sarah, who's 4, and I really wanted to do something special to it. It's a sort of a craft door plaque, so you can paint it or do whatever you want to it. I'm going to use acrylic paints, true paints mostly, and make this really beautiful by adding vibrant, bright rainbow colours on all the lettering, and then I'm going to go with the flow and see what I want to do with the background. Now let's get started with the fun part, painting. So I'm using bright, bold acrylic colours to bring this plaque to life. Think reds, blues, oranges and pinks. Perfect for creating that cheerful, love-filled vibe. Acrylic paints are actually really great because they're easy to layer and they dry quickly, which means less waiting and more crafting. When it comes to Valentine's Day, I love how the colours alone can instantly set the mood, whether you're celebrating with a special someone or just spreading some love and joy. Did you know that Valentine's Day has been celebrated for over 1500 years? It's all about love, and that's exactly what I'm aiming for with this plaque. Something bright, happy and full of positive energy. And since music can be the food of love, I'm going to play on some music for you. See you at the next stage.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. What you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.
So now I've finished painting my letters. I'm going to go back in with my acrylic markers. These are Grabie acrylic marker pens from grabieart.com, and you can get a 15% discount if you use my discount code Taslima15. And they are amazing. They really paint on top of almost any type of surface or substrate. And I'm going over the wooden flowers here with my acrylic markers very gently, and I'm going to use a gradient of colours. I also begin to paint the frame using iridescent Pebeo acrylic paints. I love the iridescent series, there's so many of them, and I just blend that in using 2 different colours.
I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
I decided to add some patterns on my lettering using my acrylic markers, as you can see, and I'm using Deco foil transfer gel just to get some beautiful gold leaf on here. And here I am applying my gold leaf to that glue, and I'm only going to put it down very sparse in different areas. I don't want too much of it in the background really. And this is more of a rose gold leaf rather than gold, and I really like it for that background, since I used the yellow ochre for the background and a little bit of copper paint as well. And as soon as I put this lovely leaf down and used my soft makeup brush to remove the excess, I realised I had another product I could have used. Now this was another exciting gift I got for my birthday recently, and this is Cosmic Shimmer Gilding Flakes, and look at the colour on those. Absolutely stunning. Look at those. Oh my goodness. So it's a combination of the light gold, deep gold, copper, and yes, can't wait to use it. But of course, before we get to that stage, we still need to clear all the gold leaf off. But yeah, I thought, why not give this beautiful Valentine's piece a bit of a blingy effect and make it more beautiful. I'm going to show you this other product. So this is Gilding Flakes from Cosmic Shimmer, and look at this gorgeous burnished effect in here. It's stunning, isn't it? Look at that. Look at all the colours. I'm so excited to use this, and I can't wait to see what it's like. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, that's amazing. Just thinking of all the future projects I can use this on. Perfect. I can't wait to pop this on top in a moment. I'm just going to quickly get the rest of it off and stick a bit more glue down then. Yeah, I put a lot of little lines using my palette knife, lines of glue, because I didn't want too much in the background, but just a little bit to give it that nice look. Because when I put the paint down, the acrylic paint in the background, I wasn't too impressed with it, how it looked. There was just something missing. And I know how you all like blingy stuff as well. But I hope you do. So hopefully this will look stunning. Look at all this. I am doing it in a tray this time. I've learnt my lesson. I'd ideally want to do it outside, but half of this would go down the street, so not a good idea. I'm capturing it all in here so I can recycle it. Yeah, I'm really happy. I actually need a bit of a stiffer brush really for this. Ideally. Look at that. That looks amazing, right?
Don't be sad, don't be lonely. Don't you know that I love you only? Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Don't shed a tear
been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling,
I hope you enjoyed this stunning craft coming together. Thank you so much for watching. Up after me will be Healing Art by Lunar Sky. Please do check out the playlist down below. See you on the next one.
hey darling.